Hola. Today we're gonna go on a sexy journey, and I want you to Tócame. Jazz, square. That sounded lame. This is a cool square. Now add some arms. Woo, burst. Yes. Now swim, swim, and pray. Take it up, up, middle, down, touch your body. Take it down. Before you Tócame, I want you to Toca you. Take it up, down. Take it up. Sit.
Si tú quieres guerra, te mando este misil. Sola se toca, no le tengo que decir. En ese chaco siempre me quiero hundir.
Take it to the right, go step, back front.
Con mi anaconda, taco la dormilona. La bebita bien dura, la reina del Amazonas. Bajamos en KTM en la favela haciendo dona.
Hip goes around.
Ven mamá, mamá,
Pump it out.
Ven mamá, castigarte como tu papá. Ven mamá, mamá, ven mamá, mamá, mamá. Ven para castigarte como tu
Swim and pray. What are you praying for? Take it up. Whoa. Take it up. Step to the right now. Step and out. This is your chance to breathe. Take it down. Get your snake out. From the tree to the garden. Step and throw. Woo. Switch sides now. Swim and pray last time. Take it up. Just your hips.
You know what time it is, homie? Better teach you. Okay.
Last time. Sexy.
Hope you liked this video. If you did, click right here to watch the official video and click right here for 60-minute sweat sessions. We do them every single week and they never expire.